May I now request convener of the program, Professor Lalitha Guru Prasad, to address the gathering. Professor Lalitha Guru Prasad is a senior professor in School of Chemistry, University of Hyderabad, with expertise in computational chemistry, bioinformatics, and structural biology. Her research focuses on protein structure-function relationships, molecular docking, QSAR studies, molecular dynamic simulations, and genome sequence analysis, particularly targeting proteins associated with tuberculosis, malaria, and cancer. Her research group effectively integrates advanced computational modeling with experimental validation, contributing significantly to structure-based drug discovery and biomolecular research. Welcome, madam.
Thank you, Kavita. It's always very overwhelming to be in this room because I was sitting in this classroom for my MSc first year. So it's nice to be back here. Dignitaries on the dais, my senior, Professor Prasad, and all the participants and the other faculty in the Department of Chemistry. My colleague Professor Brahmanandam will tell you about the genesis of the ANRF-PAIR proposals. I'll not go through that, but I would like to first thank and congratulate Professor Vijulata and Professor Padmavati for making this happen. Having AI ML related workshop in the application of the drug discovery is something we have been thinking for a long time, but they have actually made it possible. So which actually means that that they're very active and they're good organizers. And like normally what we say in simple arithmetic, we say that 1 + 1 = 2, right? But in a place like this, we should say that 1 + 1 is beyond 2. Because what is happening here in the case of this ANRF-PAIR proposal is, there is one institute which acts as a hub, but then there are many other spoke institutes. So the experience and expertise of many of the faculty will come together such that, it is able to benefit ourselves in terms of delivering the right knowledge to the students, but at the same time the core is to actually have well equipped students in terms of the research and knowledge, so that the nation building is our primary objective. That's the main goal. And the other thing that I always think about AI is, whenever you open a newspaper, they say that AI is, there's a boom in AI, therefore there's a job loss. That's the threat that, most of the people have. But I would like to reassure people in this room that what we have been doing already is, the drug discovery pipeline is there. And this drug discovery pipeline is only being strengthened further by the application of AI and ML tools. So your jobs are there. It's just that, you'll be better equipped to deliver your, product, or, to be able to provide your services. So it's a very good project, and workshop. More than this, I think this is only the very initial stage or the first workshop. I'm sure, in the next 5 years to come, there'll be many more such, programs which will be for the benefit of the students and the faculty. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for your motivating address and